Hey guys, Dewy.McDonald here at Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2019 Arctic Fox truck camper 990. Here's your little slide out on the side right here. Table makes down into a bed. Storage under both sides of the seats there. You got your Northwood freezer, refrigerator. Up above we got our air conditioning, LED lights, stereo speakers. Got your one big sink here with a nice countertop there for cutting board or whatever. Here's your control panel here, stereo. It's pre-wired. There's a little solar charger on the roof. Solid wood cabinetry. These are the ones built out of La Grande, Oregon. So the Arctic Fox, this is their one. They actually have on their website, there's 32 people sitting on the roof. Hand built, one of our top of the line campers, thicker gauge aluminum, true 4 seasons trailer. This is got the stainless steel appliance package, 3-burner oven, hood, microwave. And here you got storage, slide out trays, more storage below there. Got a couple drawers here, solid wood. Storage below. Here's your step. You got an extension that goes on right here that's in this little closet right here. So it gives you a countertop. That's what this little bracket's for. But there's a step going up into the bed. So across in the bed you've got TV spot on the side, storage cabinet here, little storage there for. And then there on the side you both storage, cross ventilation with 2 windows. You got a fantastic front fan in the front. You got LED lights up above for reading lights. In the front you got USB ports for your phone chargers and whatnot up there. Nice big bed, storage on both sides in the front hanging, and you got a little shoe rack up there if you want to put some shoes or whatnot up there. So then here's your little slider privacy curtain. So this one actually has a sliding rear window for, like, if your truck has a sliding window, there's a cover for that. So, and then here's your bathroom here. So you got a nice big tall bathroom, porcelain toilet, big shower, skylight above so a big tall guy can fit in there no problem. And as you walk out here, there's controls for when you're coming in. There's lights controls where you can do it from when you're first coming into the coach right here. So off the back you've got your electric awning, your big grab handle. This one's generator. This ladder folds up to get access into the generator here. It's pre-wired for gas outlet right here, so if you want an outdoor barbecue. The Fox Landing is a heavy-duty step that folds up. This folds in, so like if you're towing a boat or something, but nice solid step. And this is removable also if you want to take it off. Stainless steel LED lights above us. So electric jacks, remote jacks. I mean, you can see how well this is built. Just look at the bolts on the side. I mean, you want to think they double strengthen everything. Here's a plumbing door access right here to your plumbing, your sewer drain in there. You got the great big tanks, 2 tanks. Most campers don't have those bigger 5-gallon. You got little ones. So here's your tie downs for your truck. This is for a long bed. Here's your power cord plug-in, satellite. It's pre-wired for satellite. Here's your batteries. We sell it with 2 batteries. Comes that way. Got an outdoor shower here, and you notice this is magnetic, so you don't have to latch it. Here's where you add for your water. So if you're going to do a dry camping, here's your furnace there. But like I said, look at this. Look at how this is built. I mean, these are built out of La Grande, Oregon, one of our top of the line campers. So if you're looking for a big camper, we sell campers, toy haulers, all their trailers and fifth wheels. Come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.